Alright, the tank has been successfully installed. The water connection has been put in place. The heater hoses have been tied up in location. Everything looks very organized and ready to be used. I couldn't be happier, guys. Check this out. Very clean, very organized, well put together. The only thing that we're missing to do is to connect the water sensor. We're gonna wait for Jeff to tell us what cable goes where, and then we'll do it. All right, we're doing big housekeeping today. We connected the cables, we put the heater pad on the tank, we opened up the electrical over there, we connected the electrical outlet for the vacuum. And we have been doing some extreme housekeeping, putting everything in the drawers, accessible and organized, utilizing the storage, so we're eliminating boxes and we're pulling garbage out of the RV. The connections are ready, but the board is broken, so we're gonna need to get a new one before we put the plug the board in. So we'll wait for Jeff tomorrow, and we will install tomorrow the vacuum. We'll start the refrigerator. I mean, we've been having great progress today. A lot of housekeeping for sure. Organizing everything, testing of the system, the cameras, making it happen. So we're happy. We'll continue further, and then we'll be back to you guys later with more updates. Progress continues, so we're going to install the turntable central vacuum system, and we'll get back to you guys when this task is done. We have the connection, we have the cables, so we're gonna get to work, guys, to make this happen. And as soon as the central vacuum is installed, we'll be back. Ladies and gentlemen, the central vacuum is installed. And it looks amazing. Look at that. All that beautiness. So we're gonna secure the switches on the wall, and then tomorrow when Jeff gets here, we'll tackle more. This puppy here. Yep, everything has been tied down, ready for tomorrow. And I will work in the back on that one tomorrow, just to make sure that it looks good and it's ready to go and ready to plug the refrigerator.